Hello, everyone, and welcome to this session by Clap Possible. Now, students, in today's session, we are going to discuss a very important aspect or very important information about a topic that is in news. Okay, now, guys, we are going to discuss about the Foxconn industry. Okay, and Foxconn and how they are planning for their expansion here in India. Okay, so now recently this was in news, okay, a couple of days ago, that Foxconn will invest more than 600 million US dollars in India in two different domains. The first domain will be its phone manufacturing project, whereas the second one would be its semiconductor equipment facility. Facility, Semiconductor facility. Okay. Now, this Taiwanese firm and US chip firm Applied Materials, they have told that this $600 million would be used somewhat like this 360 millions for phone manufacturing, whereas $240 million would be for semiconductor equipments. Okay, so this is the breakup of the $600 million that are being proposed by Foxconn. Okay, now this phone project, okay, the phone manufacturing project will create at least 12,000 jobs. Okay, whereas the semiconductor facility will create approximately 1,000 jobs, right? 1,000 jobs. Now, about Foxconn, Foxconn is one of the world's biggest contract electronics manufacturer. That means all these companies such as Apple, Samsung, etc., they give the manufacturing contract of their products to Foxconn. Okay, so Foxconn is the manufacturer. Okay, and Foxconn is best known as the main assembler of Apple's iPhone. Okay, but you know what? Now, this company is planning to diversify. Okay, they want to move into different other domains, both geographically as well as in terms of portfolio of the products. So presently they have a majority of their setup in located in China, but now they are looking for a better alternative. And what could be better than India? So they have decided to invest in India as well. Foxconn's main operation are in China, where it runs the world's largest iPhone factory. But India, which has been pushing to bring high-tech manufacturing to the country, has been a target of Foxconn's expansion plans. Okay, so Foxconn has been thinking about expansion, and India has given an assurance that whatever you need, we are here to provide you. Okay. Now, talking about the diversification that Foxconn is thinking, they are planning to get into the electric car business. Okay, and the best thing is, okay, you know, guys, आने वाले time में there will be two things. Number one is data, and number one is semiconductors. These two things are the future. Okay, and see, when I'm talking about semiconductor industry, that means you name any electronic equipment and you need semiconductors for that. So if India has a command, or if any organization or manufacturing unit has a command over the manufacturing of semiconductors, trust me, they are going to rule the sector. They're going to rule it completely. You know what? Initially, Foxconn decided to come to India along with the Vedanta group. Okay, and they decided that there will be a joint venture for a 19.5 billion US dollar plant. However, last month, Foxconn pulled itself out of this contract and said, we will come alone. Okay. Now, talking about Foxconn. So, Foxconn, Horn High Precision Industry Corporation Limited. And when I'm talking about its trading name, it's Horn High Technology Group. So in China and Taiwan, it is known under the name Horn High Technology Group, whereas internationally it is known as Foxconn. Okay, it is a Taiwanese multinational electronics contract manufacturer. Establishment year 1974. Headquarters Tushang, where in New Taipei City, Taiwan. In 2021, the annual revenue was approximately 175 billion US dollars, guys. Okay. And in the 2022 Fortune 500 companies list, it was placed on the 20th spot. These are some important facts, and we go through it. It is the world's largest technology manufacturer and service provider. Okay. While headquartered in Taiwan, the company earns the majority of its revenue from assets in China and is one of the largest employer worldwide. Okay, ठीक है, लार्जेस्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर है. साथ ही साथ कंपनी के फाउंडर के नाम के बारे में अगर बात करें, सो कंपनी का फाउंडर इज टेरी गाओ. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज all information regarding Foxconn and what exactly are they planning to venture in India. This was pertaining to today's session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.